Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're at the Westcott today. The Westcott, this is a gorgeous high-rise, and it is one of our favorites in all of Houston. It's a very elegant, five-star kind of high-rise in Houston, and it has all the cool stuff that you're gonna want. It's got concierge, and it's got very professional concierge. It's got a valet service, really nice drive-through. It's got that premium kind of feel that you want, and the neighborhood is sensational. We have filmed this before, but we're now going to film more of it. We're going to go back in and film a couple of units inside. We're going to film some amenities again, just to make sure we've got that on our best camera here. It's going to be some good footage. And we're going to just give you, again, just a taste of what it's like to be here at the Westcott. The Westcott really is a premium location too. This is the Memorial area, Memorial Park area. That's close, just, I don't know, 5 minutes or so from Memorial Park. That's an incredible park, very huge, and it's a premium part of town too. So this is also pretty close to River Oaks. So you've got a lot of premium shopping and restaurants there. So it's a great area to be, and in my mind, this is a very safe, feels very, very safe here too. So anyway, we're about to go film. It's gonna probably about 12 videos or so. The next video is gonna be a short one. We're gonna talk about the area. So just keep watching. This will be your best tour ever. You don't have to come in person. This will be your best tour ever. If you have any questions at any time, send me a text. Just use the number below. And now I want to talk a little bit more about the area. So we'll do that next.